Hello. I'm happy to share this book with you. When I first got this paper from Israel, it actually looked pink to me, but it is quite brown, especially with all the other parts and pieces going with this. I was definitely interested in nature and vintage and just exploring natural elements. A little bit of rust, different shades of brown, that kind of thing. I like this threefold quite a bit, so I was kind of thinking about that. And I love the element of having a book, and I've made some where the books are sewn in, but those don't always seem the most practical or useful. So I have been working on some where the books come out, even though they're a part of it, an important part of it. So yeah, I think it's going to be hard to stay in the frame, but I'll just like work from left to right. So using twine, some of the tape that is awesome and popular right now. Thinking of images of women. These are all vintage photographs. Ledger from a book I have, and then index cards with hibiscus and tea-dyed index cards, but with hibiscus in between. And so it really kind of pulls out those blues and purples nicely. Lots of German paper. Love that. Photographs, some other vintage authentic ephemera that I have. Some Kodak envelope with some negatives. Kind of a mixture of things. And then a vintage botanical page. And I liked kind of the right, left, right of this page. And then just a nice big card there. So there's that. And I'll just leave that for later. I'm going to go through the book because I feel like I'm going to forget that. And there's this is a little bit of a focus on the botanical, thinking that you can kind of pull it out, take it along. So this book could go in the direction of more botanical, or more photographs, or maybe on a trip, or maybe collecting seeds or leaves, things like that. But there's some really great botanical images in here. Natural kind of brown papers. Love this. I have this one botanical book that just is so gorgeous. And watercolor paper. It's a slide of an older woman. And I had tea-dyed with some with some hibiscus, some paper. So I still had some left. And I'm really loving that. I think I might make some more. Kind of grungy. So, yeah, this was like an exercise in different colors of brown and natural elements and vintage, I guess. Another picture kit. So there's the book, and it does come out, but I won't take it out right now. Let's see. I think that works, yeah. Let's do here. And this, and then in here, this is from the Paper Addiction, some that I got, so it's so gorgeous, and I just want to save that. So there's a little bit of fiber in here, some nice vintage recipe, and then like a brown bag, book page. Love this image. Kind of the women are I'm not sure if it's the same woman over time. It felt like it was, but I'm not sure. And then this one has, I have a couple of photographic ephemera in here, so have fun adding that. And then there's a book page, botanical book page in there. So there's that side. And I'm going to go ahead and close that. Mom with the bicycle, good. And I think I might play again with some of this fabric fold out, which is kind of nice to have the fabric instead of paper. I go back and forth between fabric and paper, textile, fiber. For a little while I felt like I combined both of those quite a bit, but not so much lately. And I love my stamp. Forgot where I got that from on Etsy, but I will put the link because I do love it. And this wonderful book page. Oops, there we go. Little folded German page there and some tags that come out. Another little page. Beautiful, I love this. A little clasp of book pages. And a tiny little photograph. And some coffee dyed tags here. And everything's in the same twine, just to tie it all together. Folds in, and yeah, it goes there. We'll tie that together a little later, and that folds in and up, and then there is this nice additional twine to close it here. So. Oops. Lots of nature, lots of earthy browns and creams. Thanks.